Right, so building funnels can be pretty complicated. It can be hard knowing what funnel type you need, or funnel steps, funnel pages, or even what funnel structure to begin with. And so what I've created is a spreadsheet. Well, that's the compilation of everything. What I've created is actually more than 50 plug and play funnel templates, but I've put them all together into this right here. So what this is, if you take a look at my portfolio, let's say a funnel like this, a SaaS funnel, a webinar funnel, right? There's a structure to it. Like here goes the image, here goes the headline, the subheadline, the testimonials. I've turned a lot of these into funnel templates. So these are my own funnel templates, my clients' funnels that we've customized into templates. And so they're pre-made for you. If you take a look at, let's say, event funnel blue, there's a live preview. By looking at the funnel, we can see what it looks like before you add them to your ClickFunnels account, or if you don't have ClickFunnels yet, before you create your ClickFunnels account. There we go. You can see that there's a structure to it, but you gotta add your own images, obviously. And so whether you're using this for yourself or you're using it for your clients, you can use these as a structure. And then if you wanna choose this one, you just click here and it'll import it to your ClickFunnels account. And if you don't have one, it's just literally gonna ask you to sign up for a free trial. You can get 2 weeks for free. And so you can even preview it here and see how many pages there's in it. So this one is only an opt-in page. You can go down to, let's choose some of these that I think there's like free plus shipping, for example. You can see the preview, awesome. And then you can see the share funnel link. So this one should have multiple pages. So sales page, you can preview it there. You can see the image of it, one-time offer, downsell, upsell again, downsell, and purchase confirmation page. So you don't have to, again, download every one, because if you have more than 20 funnels in your account, you have to use a higher tier pricing. But if you only use 20 funnels, you only pay the $97. I use $297 a month because I have, I think, almost 1,000 funnels now in my account. But that is pretty much it for this video. You can, like I said, just go through and look at them so you know, okay, I want to use this one as my portfolio. In fact, that's what I've been using on my portfolio, is that one. It's a pretty simple one, and it's been helping me get a ton of clients. So that's if you're a funnel agency. If you're a coach, consultant, course creator, you can see how we're using these as a structure to build client funnels, sales pages for your own offers, before, after, before. So that being said, just click the link below this video, import any of these into your account, make a copy of this one if you want, because you can't edit it. But that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.